how to fix your mouse double clicking on a single click. So basically, if you're trying to select something by a single click and move it somewhere, or basically perform a single click, your mouse is doing double click instead. Here's how to fix it. First, you want to right click on your start button right here and then open up the device manager. And now you want to expand the mice and other pointing devices category. And then you can try to right click on your mouse and then hit the uninstall device and then click on uninstall. If you have multiple mouses or mice pointing devices here, you should do the same for them all. Now, once you've done that, you will need to remove the mouse cable or disconnect it from your computer and clean the socket and then plug it back in. Now you want to come back here and click on this icon right here, which is the search icon. And then it should bring back the mouse device right here. And that should fix the problem. But if it's still not working, here's a second solution. First, you want to right click on your start button again, and this time open up the settings. And from here, you want to go to the devices category. And then you want to go to mouse from the left side. Now click on additional mouse settings. You can find it on the right side in Windows 10 or at the bottom here in Windows 11. And then where it says double click speed right here in this group, you can basically move this slider down like this to slow down the detection of double clicks. And then you can go to the pointer options tab and uncheck the enhance pointer precision. Or you can leave it on and then just reduce the pointer speed. And then you can click on apply and OK. Now if you close this down and try to open up folders or stuff, or just do a single click, this should fix the issue. And if it still persists for some reason, it's most likely because your mouse has some like dust or debris that is kind of blocking the buttons. So you can either clean it up or basically just replace the mouse because it might be damaged. And that's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.